From the Americas to Europe and then to Asia, Wiwynn is actively expanding its global footprints. Not only expanding production bases, but also upgrading manufacturing technologies. By employing advanced low-carbon manufacturing equipment and integrating AI digital automation, we enhance production flexibility and resilience to continue developing the corporate competitiveness while also fostering environmental sustainability. The newly launched factory adheres to gold-level certification in green building standards. It not only possesses low-carbon manufacturing technology, but also caters to the research and production requirements of various server products. The production process utilizes trustworthy and transparent data, combining traceable supply chains and blockchain technology, ensuring the safety and integrity of the entire rack integration from individual components to the final assembly of cabinets. Embarking on the path of low-carbon smart manufacturing, we are improving most cloud infrastructure while also reducing carbon emissions and ensuring environmental sustainability. Join us in driving the transformation of cloud technology.
Wiwynn, your best choice for workload, energy optimization, and TCO.